My name is Julie Guidry, and my video is about food safety. According to the government agency that studies diseases, called the CDC, there are more than 250 different foodborne diseases. They are mostly infections caused by bacteria, viruses, and parasites, but also include poisonings by harmful toxins or chemicals. To make sure we don't get sick, we need to understand what these things are, the problems they cause, and how they get into our food. Bacteria are tiny, one-celled organisms that share the world with us. Some are even harmless, and some are helpful inside our bodies. Unfortunately, some are also really dangerous. Here's an E. coli, O157. It makes a toxin that binds to the receptors in human cells and stops protein synthesis. It kills the cells. The first cells it attacks are those of the digestive tract, which is why it can cause nausea, vomiting, or cramping first. This is a campylobacter. It has flagella that helps it move around and attach to host cells. It also might produce a toxin, like E. coli. The most common cause of foodborne infections in the United States is the salmonella bacteria. It crosses the barrier of the intestinal cells to get to the other organs and makes a person sick. Even viruses can cause a food poisoning. There is a virus called the norovirus. It makes itself at home in the intestines and causes similar symptoms as bacteria, but viruses can't be killed by antibiotics. How do bacteria get into our food anyway? In the factory? Or in the farm? Or when we're preparing food? There are lots of ways food can get contaminated, but now that we know what causes food poisoning, what can we do to prevent it? Super safe food! I will teach you how to keep yourself safe from food poisoning. You can either use soap and wash for 60 seconds, or you can use an alcohol rub for 20 seconds. Most bacteria can't survive at temperatures above 160 Fahrenheit. Some must be boiled. Separate your food. Don't cut meat and vegetables in the same board or with the same knife. Wash everything after it touches raw meat. Put food in the refrigerator right away. The bacteria can't grow as fast. Bacteria, viruses, and chemicals are all around us. You can keep yourself healthy by remembering these simple techniques. Thanks for listening.
Food safety.